Hello everyone, welcome to the third and final episode of the must-have formulas for your dividend tracker spreadsheet. The name is Dividend Dashboard, and in this video, I will show you how to calculate the annual dividend received per position in a year. This one will be a quick and easy formula because of its simplicity, especially if we apply what we learned in episode 1 using ImportHTML. So the formula is the following: shares owned times annual dividend equals to dividends received per year. That's it. Simple. Let's put the formula into action. We have a name with the Google Finance code to pull the company's name, ticker, shares owned, annual dividend using the ImportHTML formula from episode 1, dividend received per year, this is the multiplication of shares owned and annual dividend, and the total of the dividends. So let's start with adding tickers: KO, PP, SBUX, COST, and J&J. Then we go by adding random numbers of shares owned for example purposes. All the information is fully populated and we get our total. This is the sum of all dividends received in a year from the positions, and we got the amount of $62.16 in total. Again, this formula is just to confirm the amount of dividends that you make based on the shares that you own. Since the amount of shares include decimals, it gives you a more exact number and does not leave those pennies behind that actually matter when looking at your projected annual dividend. This will mark the last part of the series. There's no portfolio update in this one, and that is because I did not buy anything this week. So the only thing to show is the performance. Also, in the next video, we might see another milestone completed to the portfolio, so stay tuned. If you missed any of the previous episodes, I will link them in the description so you can go and check them out. Other than that, thanks for watching, and until next time.